What's going on, guys? Today's a little different of a video. I'm actually heading up to Michigan. I'm going to check out a car. It's a pretty special one. I don't know if I'm getting it. It's got 11,000 miles, and it is the cleanest example I've seen in the country. And I've been looking actively for this car for the past 3 to 4 months, so I don't know what's going to happen. I'm heading up there. I will keep you guys updated. I'm going to do this a little more of a vlog than a review, but I will meet you guys when I'm in there. Alright guys, we just got to the dealership, and I'm looking at the car right now. I mean, it looks really good. I'm not going to show it to you just yet. I'm just doing the final look over. I'm going to take it for a drive, and if everything's good, I'll reveal it to you. But I mean, I'm looking at it. It's really nice. I mean, this is one of the cleanest examples I've seen. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's really close. So let's go take it for a test drive, and let's see how it does. Here's the startup for the first time on this car. Let's see how it sounds. Oh man, I'm excited. It's got an aftermarket exhaust, so I don't know exactly what it's like, but I bet you it's gonna sound really good. Let's find out. All right, that sounds really good. Oh my gosh. Sorry if I'm yelling. My voice, I'm losing my voice. I'm so excited. I just got done test driving it, and I mean, it's pretty darn good. It is a very clean example, so we're gonna go talk some numbers, sign some papers. All the paperwork's been complete, and this is my new car right here. Say hello to the new channel car. This is a 2013 BMW M3, and oh my gosh, I cannot believe I own this car. I woke up this morning not thinking anything, and now it's getting late. I'm in Michigan, and I want to give a huge shout out to Suburban Ford of Ferndale in Michigan. They hooked me up with this car. They gave me a very reasonable price. It's got very low miles. We'll get into all that another time, but guys, this thing is just in the best condition. Check this out. We've got the M3, and it's got the competition package. It's got the comp wheels. This is Melbourne red. This is one of the hardest colors to find. So I mean, just right there, that is a huge plus for me. It's got some dining upgrades, and I'll talk more about this later. But you know, I'm all done now, so I will see you guys, and I'll do some cinematic editing later. But guys, it's been a dream of mine to get one of these, and now that it's done, I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I got a lot of cool things planned for this car, so I will see you guys later.